Gardening brings joy, but it's easy to stumble along the way. We asked experienced gardeners to share their regrets to help you avoid common pitfalls. Planting timing matters. Wait until after the last frost to plant outdoors. Starting seeds too early or moving plants too soon can lead to setbacks. Beware of invasive plants. Avoid species like bamboo that spread uncontrollably and crowd out native plants. Invest in your soil. Test your soil and improve it with organic materials to nurture healthy plants. Protect yourself. Wear gloves and protective clothing to avoid cuts, scratches, and exposure to soil-borne bacteria. Combat weeds early. Regularly weed to prevent them from taking over your garden. Manage wildlife. Protect your plants from rabbits, deer, and birds with fencing and netting. Choose plants wisely. Select plants suited to your garden's conditions to ensure they thrive. Follow instructions carefully. Read planting instructions to avoid mistakes like planting seeds too deep or neglecting cross-pollination. Consider no-dig gardening. Embrace no-till gardening with mulch and organic layers to improve soil health and reduce work. Plan for plant growth. Plant with mature size in mind to prevent overcrowding and promote healthy growth. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time and frustration in your gardening journey.